Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Yesterday, descriptive paragraphs, no? We were describing people or
Yes,
places.
ma'am. People.
Ma'am, people.
People.
And we were describing our weather and our favorite
We
teacher.
have done 2 examples of describing people. No, 3. One I
Yes.
showed you on the screen. What was it? Who did we describe? We saw.
Ma'am, my father.
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 Very good. Then
Good morning,
second
ma'am.
example. Good morning. Second example was
Ma'am, a friend from Haryana.
Friend from Haryana.
yes, friend from
Ma'am,
Haryana. Very good.
And ma'am,
And
then a teacher
Third
or
one.
brother.
teacher or brother.
teacher or brother. So I think defining living people you have already practiced. Now let us define a place. Let's go and define a place. First, you will all define your study room. Okay. Maybe all of us do not have a separate room for study, but wherever you sit and study, that place, let's consider it as a study room. So I'll be giving 2-3 minutes. Please plan your first 5 lines. You want me to give you clues or you'll manage without clues?
Ma'am, without
Yes, I know you'll be able to manage without clues. Very good. Start. Okay. We'll do in the same manner like we did yesterday. You'll write the first 5 lines. You'll speak. Try and make it interesting. Okay. It should not be boring. Try and make it more interesting. First 5 lines you will speak in post. Your time starts now. Yes, Peter?
Ma'am, we have to describe our study room.
Yes. Any room where you sit and study, you sit on the terrace and study, you can describe that as well. Absolutely okay. Whichever place you select. Come on, children. First 5 lines have to be written. First, they will be spoken and then they will be posted. By the time I'll mark your attendance quickly. Yesterday we did defining living people. Today we are going to define places. Whoever finishes writing, please let me know so that you can speak out.
Ma'am, what is the topic?
Yes, Peter?
Ma'am, what is the topic?
Not getting. Speak again. Happy?
Ma'am, no, the topic.
Topic? Beta, you have to describe your study room. First 5 lines only, not the entire thing like we do every day. We just write the first 5 lines and then we'll post it. We'll also speak. Who is this child? Lavish Patel. There is some child, Lavish Patel, in any of the sections?
Ma'am, in B section.
We have? Okay, fine. Try to make it interesting, something different from others.
Good morning, ma'am.
Speak better.
Ma'am, what we have to write about today?
Beta, you have to write about your study room, the place where you sit and study. Describe that place. Yesterday we did living things. Today we are describing places. So the first thing that we are describing is your study room. Wherever you sit and study, that place has to be described.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, Peter?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good. Speak.
My study room. One of the most important place in a student's life is his or her study room. My study room is a room where I keep most of my things. In my
Very good.
study room, there are all of my books, my musical instruments, and all of my gadgets like laptop, printer, etc.
Very good. Very good. So you give me the first 5 lines now. Yes,
Ma'am,
Peter,
may I?
please continue. One by one, start, speak. You post on the group. Just now you spoke. Others, please speak.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Start speaking one by one. Please speak.
My study room is just like to my bedroom. In my study room, there is a table, there is a lot of books. And also in my study room, I have made a wall of art where I stick all my paintings, drawing, and other art and craft things. And it looks very beautiful. There is a couch in one of the corner of my study room and a DIY lamp made by me in another.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Artistic room. Yes,
ma'am,
Bachchan,
may I?
speak, please. Speak.
In my study room, I have not only arranged my book and study materials, I have kept so many musical instruments in my study room because I really feel very relaxing after seeing them. In my study room, you will find most of the things related to the music only. I have sticked the images of some famous musicians on my front wall.
Oh, that is interesting. Images. Very nice. Post with your name. Yes, who is speaking next? Speak, beta. Who is speaking? Those who have spoken, keep posting and write the next 5 lines. Hurry up, the first 5 lines should come now. Yes, beta.
My study room is just next to my bedroom. It contains all my study materials, and there is also a source for cleaning up uh, waste waste side by side. Like I have put
Yes, yes, continue.
a dustbin like a dustbin near it, as made up of A4 size sheet, and I I also keep food near my study uh, table so that can't I won't feel hungry.
What do you keep in your study table? Something to eat.
Yes, ma'am. So that I
Okay.
may not feel hungry.
Oh, foodie. Very good. Continue. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Others? Yes, beta. Please speak.
My study table is in my room. It's near to the deck of my house, so it's little hot there. And in spite of work, I have many things like a small Captain America, and some of my idols' photo have also taken place there.
Very good. Very good. Short.
May I speak?
To the point. Well described. Yes, beta. Please start.
My study room is situated near the window, so natural light can come, and that's the kitchen. It's the best place for me. I have maintained many items like electronic gadgets, my stationery, course books, some novels, and a family frame made by me, which boosts my happiness every time I see it.
Good. Very good. Something different. Some new point being added. This is how we want to go ahead. Very good. Continue, children. Keep posting on the group also. Remember that you need to post on the group.
May
Yes, beta. Please speak.
My study room is of sky blue color. It has blue white color curtains. My study desk is a wooden and it has a table lamp and also wooden shelf to keep my books and hide my money from my brother. I also kept my indoor games in that room.
This was an interesting point. Hide my money. I really enjoyed it. Very interesting. Very nice. Keep adding something new like this. There are so many students who have not even spoken the first 5 lines. Please hurry a bit. Come on, children. Next 5 lines for those who've already spoken. Those who've not spoken, speak.
Ma'am, may I speak the next 5 lines?
Yes, beta, please speak.
In my study room, in one corner, my study table has been placed, while in the another corner, I have my bookshelf and all the things that I have made and all my photo frames. There are two big murtis. One is of Ganeshji and another is of Krishnaji.
Very good. What is the English word for murtis?
Statue.
Ma'am, statue. Ma'am,
Very
statue.
good. Very good. Very good. Good, good. Well described. Carry on. Very good. Very good, Bache. Carry on. I'm waiting for others.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, please speak.
My study room. Actually, my study room is my own room, and moreover, it's not just a room, but an elegant paradise. It has my favorite Disney wallpapers, my quotes charts, and my itsy bitsy crafts, as well as my imaginary friends. It is the quietest place in my house that makes it marvelous for studying and relaxing. It is a bright colored room with plenty of windows, with an appealing balcony with some dazzling plants. It is also the center for my yoga and meditation, which makes it perfect in the morning. As in the morning, the room is quite cool and brightened by the soothing sunlight.
Very good, very good. That's nice to hear that you do yoga also. Very interesting. Very good, children. Carry on, please.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Speak.
My study room is the most cornered room of my house, so that there should be no noise invasion. This room is not very much big, but also enough space, but it also has enough space to store a number of books which I want. It has a single bed where I sleep. It is generally very messy because all the stuff is kept everywhere. It has big bookshelf which is of no use because all the books are generally on the bed. I do have a study table, but it is also of no use or to show others that I have a study table because my favorite destination to study is my beloved bed. My day starts in this room and ends in it only. I only go out of my room only when it's important. It all it also has some board games and electronics. My room has everything what I want and I am very much attached to it.
Good, Vishesh. Very well described. Very, very good. So this is how you can make your normal composition interesting. Very nice. Good. Carry on, Bache. 100 to 120 words. Keep a check on the word limit and conclude it. Yes, beta.
My study room, the place where I sit and study and complete my homework. It has got a computer table, the desk set up on it, a printer beside the table, my books and stationery. There's also an armchair and sofas with a small table. It also has got a cupboard to store all the excess stationery and my laptop. It also has one more cupboard to store my course books and notebooks. It has golden brown curtains. It is the hottest room in my whole house, so it also has two fans and an air conditioner. It has windows in front from where you can take a view of my beautiful garden.
Very good. Very well spoken. Very well planned. Too good. Now you can plan your conclusion, beta, so that the
Ma'am,
word
can now
limit is.
can I speak?
Ah, beta, please speak. Continue.
My study room. My study room is small, but a temple of knowledge for me. It is of blue color. That is my favorite, and contains two tables, one for my sister and one for me. There is also a green almirah just next to my table, which contains all my books and my sister books also.
Very, very nice. Very interesting, mate. Good efforts. This is how it should be, children. There are so many who are not speaking. Yes, beta, continue.
As my study room is in the corner of the house, so no disturbance is there. So when I have to make my any music video, I record it there only. I attend all my classes, whether academic or music, from my study room only. And all the craft items or paintings which I make are kept in my study room only. I have also kept one laptop in my study room, but I most of the time I use it for editing my music videos.
Oh, interesting, Sanidhya. You make music videos?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am. Yes,
We were
ma'am.
not aware of this talent of yours. And where do you put them? Where do you share them so that others can also listen to them? Where do you generally share those videos with? Or you don't share only, they are for you only? Hmm?
Ma'am, I make them for competition. Ma'am, if someone want or ma'am fun. Ma'am,
Okay.
I will send you.
Huh, please. You should share it with others, no? So that people can like and appreciate your talent if you have. So we would love to actually see these videos. You send it to me, we'll see. We'll forward it somewhere. Very good. Very good, Sanidhya. See, he's made it a little different from others again. Adding one little thing made it different from others. Yes, who is
Ma'am,
the next person? Yes.
yes,
That
ma'am.
is why I want you to speak also before you post, so that others also get ideas. Anji beta, please speak.
I keep all my gadgets like laptop and phone which are needed for online classes in my study room. Speaking about the colors of my room, all the walls are painted in light blue and it is my favorite color. Also, there is a very beautiful round carpet below my table which is very beautiful. My room has a very big window and it is my favorite place in the morning because from there cold breeze comes which refreshes me. And I have also kept a lot of small indoor plants near it.
Oh, beautiful. We can imagine it to be a very beautiful place. And you have tried to make it more beautiful by plants. Very good. Yes. Try
Ma'am,
and conclude. Try and conclude those who've written this so that the word limit is fulfilled. Others, please speak.
ma'am, I have done.
The conclusion?
No, ma'am, the first lines.
Okay. Speak, beta.
Ma'am, my study room is filled with books such as my school books and reference book, but is mostly filled with discovery, dinosaurs, and animal related books. It also has a guitar and a Casio which I love to play. It also has an idol of Ganesha and some posters of quotations. My gadgets are also in my study room. My study room's walls is painted beautifully. I feel very energetic in my study room.
Very good. See, this is how she's also made it different musical instruments in the study room, making it more interesting. Very nice. Who is speaking next? I'm waiting. Those who had given the initial lines give the conclusions now. Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, may I? The next five lines.
Yes, beta, please speak.
Generally, my room consists of four study tables. Three of them are normal tables, but one is a foldable table, quite splendid for carrying it from one room to another. I take my online classes in my room as well. My room is quite tremendous because it has to make space for my clothes, belongings, with my exceptional soft toys because I'm a soft toy freak. My room gets a bit dusty during the day, but I clean it occasionally myself. I can spend hours in my room alone because it's like my best friend, which makes it a true paradise. I'm done.
Very good, very good. Very, very good. You people keep adding something new to your composition, which makes it interesting. This is what everyone should do. Very good, children. Waiting for others.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, speak and keep posting whatever is done because your attendance is marked on what you post on the groups. Speak, beta.
My study room is in the back of the garage, so to avoid the voices, it's a small room with a regular table and wooden chair. On the walls of the room, there are many motivational quotes written, and I have two bookshelves, one for the school books and one for the novels which I read. I also have one couch at the corner and one small table for the food items. I have two big windows just in front of the table, and I have kept so many plants in that room to be fresh with mind. In the table drawers, I have kept all the stationeries, and I have also hung some of my paintings in my room, and I also have a laptop on my table with a regular coffee mug. I have
Oh, wow.
a simple mirror, so as if sometimes I feel less confident, I stand in front of it with a line, yes, I can do it. This is the most energetic place for me to conclude. This is the best place for study and concentrating.
Good, good. Very good. So you make paintings?
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice. We're getting to know so many of your talents, children. Very nice. Good. Keep adding something like this. That is why you get so many ideas. Very good. Beta, your voice is not clear. Yes, beta, speak.
It's the only room where I spend most of the time. My bed is also situated next to the study. I take my classes in this room only. My study room is painted in light blue color and has a cabinet where some achievements of mine and my father are kept. And on that cabinet, a chart is also there which was made by me or father. To conclude, it's the most pretty and silent place for me.
Very good. Very, very good. Very nice. What about other students? Why not speaking? Speak.
Ma'am, may I conclude?
Yes, beta, speak.
The best thing I like in my study room is one quote which is written on the wall, and that quote is music is my drug, DJ is my dealer. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that I use my study room more for recording songs than doing study.
This is interesting. Nice. See, this is how he has made it very different from others. Very good, children. Carry on, carry on. Post, tell me how many words.
Ma'am, may I conclude?
Yes, better speak.
To conclude, I would just like to say that my study room is my favorite place at my house, and I like to spend most of the time of the day here only because my study room is the best.
Okay, that is nice. Just check out for the word limit.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done and sent.
Okay, check out for the word limit, beta.
Ma'am, it's about 120.
Perfect then. This is perfect. Yes, who else? Speak.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta, speak.
The study room that I talk in which I relax is my bedroom, and where I keep my refreshments is my kitchen. So, in for conclusion, I would like to say that my study room changes every day.
Very good. It changes every day, so it is going to be interesting, huh? Very, very
Yes, ma'am.
nice. Yep,
Ma'am,
yep.
I speak.
Yes, speak, beta.
My, my study room is the place in my whole room. It is it is the most peaceful place in my uh, house that I found. It is smaller, but it is not smaller because it is painted white. So it is big. It came to see like larger,
Very
and
good.
the drastic change. And all the drastic change in me was happened in my study room only.
Good, good. Very nice, very interesting. Good, children.
Ma'am, now
See,
can I
so
speak?
many, yes, beta, so many nice ideas you're getting. Please speak, children.
Yes, ma'am. There are two pictures of God Hanumanji and God Ganeshaji so that I can get the positive energy to do my study without any negative thought. It also has two bedrooms, but I do not sleep on them. There is also a window through which the room gets filled with light. It helps me to focus on my study with providing good environment. That's why I do my online classes as well as my homework here only. Though it is extreme hot in summer and cold in winter.
Good, good. Very nice. So you're taking your online class now only? From there only?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, now can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Quickly.
I didn't start lesson, but I have completed now. Ma'am, full. Can I? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My study room. I have a study room of my own at my home, and I like it most for several reasons. This is the room that is filled with books and reading materials. Everyone who comes to my home likes my study room. Speaking about the colors of my room, so my study room walls are plated with tiles of green and white color, and windows in my room are colored with brown color. Warm and fresh air keeps the room healthy. Among other possessions, possessions I have got a computer desk with a computer on it, and I also have a bed table, a wardrobe, a clock, two bookshelves, and a reading desk and a dressing table in my room. I spend my most of the time in my study room only because I study here. I do my other activities here. I always try to keep my room neat and clean all the time because I love my room.
Very good. Very, very good. Interesting, children. See how nicely your friends are writing. Who is going to conclude?
Ma'am, I am just completing my conclusion, ma'am. Please wait.
Okay, okay.
May I speak?
Yes, beta, please speak.
My study room is older than my personal room, as in summers also, as there is a reason behind it. Because I had a big banyan tree over my study room, so it makes my study room more colder than my personal bedroom in summers.
Good, good. Very good. Something new and interesting. Good. Who else is going to speak? Beta, those who have already spoken, give your conclusion. Fine, children. Those who have not finished, please finish and post it on the group. It is
Ma'am,
your
can I
break
speak
time.
my
Speak quickly,
conclusion?
beta. We just have 30 seconds. Speak quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Rest you can post on the group. You have your break.
Though it is hot in summer and cold in winter, but I spend most of my time in this room only, of the day to night. At last, I would say for my room, I am loving it.
Oh, very good. Very good, Daksh. Nice conclusion he has given. Also, keep a check on the word limiter. Those who finished posted
Yes,
can leave the meeting, hardly 15-20 seconds. Others also, beta, it's your break time. You can take your break. But make sure you finish your work and post it on the group. Okay, let's meet next class now. God bless you all.
Ma'am, can we leave the meeting?
thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Ah, beta, there's just 15
Thank
seconds
you,
now.
ma'am.
Those who have not
Thank
finished,
you,
first finish. It's your break time. It's already
ma'am.
8:51. You had to take your break. The point is that what you need to
Ma'am,
do is,
ma'am,
yes,
can you
have you
send?
finished? Please post on the group. Even if we start, see, we are
Okay,
going to
ma'am.
start with a break in another 10 seconds, but you finish and post on the group. Those who have not posted, please post on the group, even if the break starts.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, Bichi.